Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing 4-touch smart switch. Before we start, ensure that you have a switch plate that is compatible with our touch switch. Make note of load specifications. Turn off the main MCB. Open the existing switchboard top cover. Identify the supply. Neutral in black. Main in red. And load connections. Loosen the screw and remove the load wires, the yellow ones. As we are connecting 4-touch switch, we will remove load wire from other switches too. Then cut and remove the main load. Remove the toggle switches. Refer to the connection diagram provided with your smart switch. Unbox the switch. To begin with, fit the switch into the plate. First connect neutral, the black wire, into the neutral phase with N marking. Now connect the main line with the main phase, marked as L. Now, one by one add the load wires to phase 1, 2, 3 and 4. Please ensure your connections match the specifications provided below. Place the wires back into the gang box, ensuring they are properly positioned. Secure the plate with screws and attach the cover plate. Now turn on main MCB. Power the switch by turning on the main supply. When the device powers on, it enters configuration mode automatically. You'll see a blinking light in the middle to show that it's in configuration mode. If the device doesn't power on in configuration mode, just long press any key until the middle indicator light starts blinking. Once it starts blinking, the device will be in configuration mode. App integration. Download and open the Smart Life app. Login into the app. Tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select Add Device. The app will search for nearby devices. Click Add. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password, then tap Next. Select the device and add. Click Done. Let's check it now. Open the app. Select the device. You can now see how the switch can be operated from your phone. Integration with Alexa. Open the Alexa app. Bottom right, tap More. Tap on Skills and Games. Search for Smart Life app. Select App. Click Enable to use. Click Agree and Link. Wait for Smart Life to confirm linking. Tap Close and let Alexa find your devices. When a device to add is found, click Next. Select the common group you would like to add the device. Click Add to Group. Once the device is added to group, click Continue and Done. You can view all linked devices on Alexa, showing their current state, that is, on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice commands.
Alexa, switch off fan.
Okay.
Integration with Google. Open the Google Home app. Tap the Settings tab in the bottom right corner. Under Services, select Work with Google. Look for Smart Life in the search bar. Tap on the Smart Life logo that appears. Click Continue to proceed. Next, click on Agree and Link. Return to the home screen of the app. Tap on Devices. Refresh the page to update the device list along with their current status, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice commands.
Hey Google, turn off fan.
Okay.
Integration with Siri. Launch the Smart Life app on your device. Locate the bottom navigation bar and tap the Scene icon. Within the Scene section, click Tap to Run option. Then select Create Scene. Choose Launch Tap to Run. Tap the plus icon under the Then section. Choose Control Single Device. Select the device you want to operate. Pick the function you want to adjust using your voice command. In this case, we will choose Power On and Off. Select Power. Then select On. Save it. Assign a name to your scene that reflects its purpose. This name will be your default Siri trigger phrase. In this case, it will be Turn on Fan. Similarly, we will add a command to switch off the fan. The command trigger here will be Turn off fan. On the Tap to Run screen, navigate to the bottom right corner and select Add to Siri. Click plus and Done. Same way, add On command to Siri. Let's check the voice command. Hey Siri, turn on fan.
Okay, done.